after graduation, I'm really not sure what to do. Even nung pag-take ng course ko po, I'm really not sure if in ba talaga yung passion ko. I'm just going with the flow. Nag-contemplate talaga ako ng mabuti. And it wasn't really a very easy decision. So what I did was, I wrote about it.
Mm-hmm.
So nung nagko-contemplate na ako whether to pursue my career in the corporate world or quit, I wrote it down. For reasons to stay ko, nasabi ko dito, first job, it would be nice if you stayed at least 1 to 2 years in your first job, right? Good in your resume if you apply to other jobs. And second, competitive salary, you just have to do your best. So that's two. And for the reasons to leave, schedule, graveyard shift kills me. Missing important family events such as Christmas and New Year. And it feels like I'm a robot. I do not own my own time. Sometimes there are customers that they shout and curse at you and blame you for the things that is out of your discretion. It's starting to feel unhealthy. I don't sweat anymore, plus lack of sleep sometimes. And I don't see myself staying in the company for years. It feels like it's not something I am meant to do. Can't do perform my best because I don't feel what I'm doing. Yeah, so yun po yung naging ano ko, ito yung naging guide ko and yung nalang nag-decision ko to take the leap of faith. So, yeah, I left and decided to pursue another career.